Okay, so this that you see on the screen is called a coordinate plane or coordinate grid is sometimes how I will say that. And this is created when a horizontal number line, which is one that's going this way, crosses or intersects with a vertical number line. That would be one that goes up and down. So when a horizontal number line and a vertical number line cross each other or intersect, that makes a coordinate grid or coordinate plane. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. So this number line right here is the x-axis. I'm going to go ahead and label that. And the vertical number line is the y-axis. It's important that you know which number line is x and which number line is y. So horizontal is x, vertical is y. The two axes, or two number lines, intersect at a point called the origin. So try to find where those number lines cross. That's right here. So this is the origin. And that point right there is 0 on both of these number lines. So that would be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 0 on both number lines, and that is called the origin. So when these two number lines, the x and the y number lines, cross, it makes four major sections called quadrants. And so this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Those are the four quadrants. We will mainly be focusing in quadrant 1 because that's where all the positive numbers are. You'll notice that there's some negative numbers on these number lines, so we're going to just focus on where there's positive numbers. Something else you need to know about a coordinate grid or a coordinate plane is that there's special addresses called ordered pairs that show where things are on the coordinate grid. So, for example, we can identify the location of this star by giving it an ordered pair. The ordered pair will be the x number followed by the y number. This is a pair of numbers, so it's going to be a pair of numbers, and it's an ordered pair because the x number has to come first and the y number has to come second. That is the order it has to be in. So to get this special address, we're going to first get our x number by seeing what the star is lined up with on the x-axis. And the star is lined up with the number 3 on the x-axis. So that is the first number in the ordered pair of the star. The second number is where it is in line with on the y-axis. So here's our y-axis, and the star is in line with 5. So the ordered pair of the star is 3, 5. Okay? Now let's try to find the point at 4, 2. So remember, the first number is our x number and the second number is our y number. So on the x-axis, here is 4. And then I'm going to find 2 on the y-axis, and I need to put a point at 4, 2. So that would be right here. So far what we've talked about is that there are two number lines that cross each other, the x number line and the y number line. Where they cross is called the origin, and that is the point 0 on both of those number lines. And you can create special addresses on the coordinate grid or the coordinate plane by identifying where the object or the point is along the x-axis first, followed by the y-axis. And you can create ordered pairs, which are special addresses on the coordinate plane.